this thing where he like walks outside to put this on. This is Woody, the dog I'm looking after for 2 whole weeks. I don't know if you can tell by my glasses, but it was raining outside. He's going mental trying to get himself dry. I was gonna go thrifting, but I might have to wait for the rain to go away. So yeah, maybe I'll just take a little bite to eat and then maybe, hopefully I can go. Hey. So honestly, this whole house sitting thing is like a dream of mine. I've been hoping to do this for so long. Are you interrupting me? What do you want? Fine, here you go. Is that what you wanted? You want me to feed it to you too? As I was saying, this whole house sitting thing is like a dream of mine because I've always wanted to do it for so long, and like I love pets. I love traveling. It's so good with ones like these because this one goes for like 2 weeks. That is the perfect amount of time for me to be able to like look around but also chill. I gotta make these edits for you guys because I'm like so behind in editing, so I'm sorry. I'm trying to maybe like reduce my gluten intake, but I had to finish off this bread. I have this like really nice, it's like eggplant dip. It's literally my favorite thing ever. You can probably just hear Woody just like drinking and eating over there, but yeah, this is like my 3rd house sit of the trip. I'm gonna see some cool cities here in England, and then we got a really cool one coming up in October. So yeah, I'm super keen. Also, let me know if you want a video about house sitting. It's actually the best way to travel and save money and stay in like really cool places. Basically like staying in an Airbnb, but you get to have like a cool little pet like Woody. So also, someone has to get me off Depop because I keep going on it and wasting so much time, and then I'm like, shouldn't really order anything, but there's so many different like things I can buy while I'm here in England, and I'm like so tempted to get this jumper. It's definitely the wrong move when I have just a backpack. Also, when would I get to wear it in Australia? You guys let me know if I should get it. I'm counting on you. Oh yes, this bread is breading.
Epilogue.
I have a brand new pair of docs on, and we're going to try and walk down the road and not get blisters. So here are the docs in question. They're not actually brand new, they're just very good quality secondhand. So
Soon after.
alright, let's thrift. Take my dog, man. How can you hold that wood? So I kind of got a hoard of stuff here. Yeah, you'll see it soon. I am in fact wearing the weirdest outfit. Every time I go thrifting, I'll end up wearing something that day to see if I like it. And I like this dress, but then I'm cold, so I put this on. Now it's time for dinner. I kind of fell asleep on the couch. I figured that might happen. I don't know what it is, but my feet are killing me lately. I just got 2 new pairs of dogs. I don't think it's that. I literally think I killed my feet like early in the trip. They feel so flat and just everything hurts them, so.
You won't believe my grandma. I have a whole
So I just picked up a few things from the store. Ice cream. and plant-based chocolate. I'm gonna use one of these baby spoons and ignore my look. I like never wear the glasses. And I think I'm gonna put it in a bowl or else I'm gonna eat the whole thing. So it's salted caramel swirl ice cream. Looks like this. Said it had like honeycomb pieces. I think it's vegan honeycomb and caramel swirls, which reminds me of Hokey Pokey ice cream in New Zealand. Let's try it. That's Hokey Pokey. I'm gonna take this to the couch. And basically I just started watching this movie. What is it called? Not Okay? I started watching it because I saw Best Dressed said she was in it for like a quick cameo. I was like, wonder when she's gonna be in the movie. Literally at the start. I'm gonna continue watching that and eating my ice cream. And this little guy's just gonna probably sit on my lap. Do you wanna come up? Get up! Ooh. Walk today, Woody. It's very cute. Are you tired, Woody? Today, another day, another dog walk, and I'm kind of low-key excited to go for a walk, mainly because I'm wearing a cute outfit to do it. This is what we're going with. That little shit stole my sock. My favorite thing to do with banana bread is to put it in a pan. The banana bread doesn't last long in my household. I think the funniest thing is wearing these shoes with my fuck off socks. They look like kids' shoes, and wearing them with socks looks really kiddie, but if you add an element of fuck off, it adds an adult element. It's a little bit cheeky. Also, for you guys who are unaware, you need to go and see the Confidence Man Glastonbury set because it is amazing. Woody has killed the cat. Seriously, Woody? This is the face of a killer. These and I'm gonna try them in a salad to make it healthy. Let's try one of these bad boys. A little. Pretty good. Not something I'd eat all the time, but why do I keep using my hands? They work pretty well. I'm with with Peter.
Yeah!
And we're going to Wallywear. I hope that's how you say it. A really good day today.
Yeah.
But we're dying. It's so hot.
Yeah, it's stinky. It's so stinky.
Did you see
hot.
what temperature it is?
Oh, I didn't see, but it must be like
Must
30
be
degrees
30.
or something, like 100% humidity.
We got ice cream. Hey, Woods, what are you doing? Hello.
Hey, how are you, little guy?
Good boy, Woods. We're at the room and bath. I kind of like hurt my neck, so I don't know how much I'll be filming today.
Make a wish. Throw your ancient coin in. Did you write your curse note?
Yeah, put your name on it.
Now I'm cursed. Yeah.
We got the horchata colada. Bang, got popcorn in it.
As I'm eating fruit, I can't see anything. How many fingers? See, not a, well, don't tell me. How many fingers? Not a clue. It's a joke, Rosie.
It's my last day walking Woody. I love this little guy. He's so cute. Where are you? Good boy. Bye, Woody. I miss you. I miss you already. And these are not the ones I ordered.